When looking for an affordable roofing contractor, you'll want to find the best priced company for the job. A roofing contractor is the professional who will be responsible for repairing or installing a new roof on your home. To ensure the job is done properly and according to the standards, you need to make sure that you hire the person who is right for the job you need done. Whether you are building a new home, renovating an existing home, needing a full roof replacement, or repairing damages that have been left behind after severe weather, there are multiple reasons you may need a roofing contractor. Let's look at a few questions that you should ask a potential roofer before they begin doing work on your home. Is the professional licensed? Does the roofer carry liability insurance? Will they do free estimates and quotes? Will they provide referrals? Here are a few more tips to help you in your search for roofing contractors in my area near me. Things to consider when selecting an affordable roofing company or contractor. Experience. This is the most important consideration because a person's experience will ensure that the work you have done on your roof is carried out in a professional manner. Price of the job. You should get price quotes from various companies and compare them. If you want to ensure that your roofing needs are handled by the best, give us a call today. Our experts will get the job done right the first time. Whether it's maintenance, roof replacements, or just a simple inspection, we've got you covered.